So now it's time to start sorting through your photos. And I often get asked, should I start with my printed or my digital collection first? I tell people, let's start with your digital, and for two reasons. The first being that digital photos are very easily damaged, whether that's your hard drive crashes, your phone drops in the water, just all sorts of reasons and ways that things can go bad with your digital photos. And most people don't have a backup. So if something happens, they're gone. The other reason is that most devices have a date stamp and sometimes a location stamp that embeds right into the image file in the metadata. And this is great because it gives you one more way to sort your pictures right off the bat. And by starting with your digital images and getting them structured, it gives you a place to add in the printed photos once they're digitized. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and let's start sorting through your photos to find what photos will really tell your story so that you can make sure that they last for generations.